Hi everyone, this is Rose. Welcome to my channel, Cooking with Rose International Cuisine. Today I'm going to show you how to cook rice on the stove. The rule is very simple. 1 cup of rice will require 2 cups of water. I have here 1 cup of rice already been washed, and I have 2 cups of water. And I'm going to put it in my pot. Just remember, you have to be sure that your pot is big enough to cook. For this 2 quarts pot, it will be sufficient. Now, if you're going to be cooking 2 cups of rice, I would recommend that you use a bigger pot than that. Pour in the 2 cups of water. Put it on the stove with the lid, without the lid, and let it boil. Then once it's boiling, kind of let the liquid reduce a little bit, and then you're going to turn down the heat all to the lowest level, put the lid on, and then it will cook for about 10 minutes or so. So once it's boiling, we'll be back. Hey everybody, the rice has been cooking for about 5.5 minutes right now. When I initially put the rice on the stove, I had it on high heat. It boiled in about 2 minutes, and then I reduced the heat to like low medium and let some of the liquid reduce. So now it's reduced almost all of it, and then so what we do next is turn it completely to the lowest heat, put the lid back on, and wait for about 8-9 minutes for this much rice, and then it will be done. So once it's done, I'll show you how it looks. See you soon. Well, it's been 8 minutes, so let's see how our rice is doing. Oh, this is definitely ready. So all you have to do, guys, is get a fork and stir a little bit, making sure all the grains are done. And you're good to go. So just turn off the heat. Now, at the same time also, if you want to use a rice cooker, which I have, this is my brand, I have the link below, you can check it out. So thanks for watching. Peace, love, and see you soon.